Okay, guys, this first example. Now, you've got it written down there, but here's the main idea for today. Henry, the main idea for today is that whenever we're solving equations, we have to get the terms that have variables on the same side of the equation. I can't have x equals something x. I can't have x on both sides. I got to get them on the same side. And I can use algebra to get rid of them on one side so they're only left on the other. Okay? We do this by adding or subtracting on both sides to get the variable term on one side to cancel out. Okay? Now, let's look at this first one. It says, I'm going to write it a little bit bigger. 7n minus 5 is equal to 10n plus 13. Now, you see I've got n's on both sides here, right, Rex? But I don't want n on both sides. I need to get rid of it on one side. It doesn't matter which one I do, Will, but I'm just going to subtract 7n from both sides. I can do that. I can do anything I want to an equation as long as I do it on both sides. Okay? So I'm going to subtract 7n. I like that because these two, they just cancel out, and I'm left with minus 5. Now, that variable disappeared on the left side. It changes the one on the right, though, Miles. 10n minus 7n, I get 3n plus 13. Now, this looks like problems that we did last night. Okay, it's easy, Julian. I'm just going to subtract 13 from both sides, like that, and I'm left with 3n on the right, and this, when I combine them, a negative 5 and a negative 13, I get negative 18. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm in heaven now, Will K. Will K, I don't want to know what 3n is. I want to know what 3 is. So I need to divide both sides by 3 because they're being multiplied right now. So the 3's just cancel. I'm left with n is equal to negative 6. That's it. Done. Problem solved. But the very first thing I've got to do is get the variable, get rid of one of them. Get rid of one of them on one of the sides so it's only on one side.
So in every single problem we do, pretty much, it's just in the format where we keep going all the way down to the end.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Every single problem sort of does like an upside down triangle till it simplifies. Okay? Good job, guys. I'm going to see you at example number 2.